today where we are living. Some folks say the worst of us they can, but when we are dead and in our casket, they always slip some lilies in our hand. Now won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. This world is where we need our flowers, a kind word to help us get along. If you can't give me flowers while I'm living, please don't send them when I'm gone. Well, won't you give me my flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. Flowers while I'm living, and let me enjoy them while I can. Please don't wait till I'm ready to be buried, and then slip some lilies in my hand. No, don't you try, slip some lilies in my hand.
Wow.
Yeah, man. Paul.
We got off to a good start.
Right off the bat, man. Right off the shoot. I think we're leading the pack right now. So, welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. We're back. We're happy. We're here at Bob Smith Toyota. The weather's beautiful. We've already got some people coming in. Bart, our good friend who did the show, and Joey's here, and of course my daughter Kim, and our other engineer, and my grandson Brandon. Hi, Brandon. We love you. Our guest artist, most of you people already know, is Ricky Z. And Ricky did a great thing. He made me feel so good. I called Rick, and you've done the show, I think, about 4 times now. Yeah, something like that. So I give Ricky a call. Hey, Rick, can you come down Sunday, help us out? He says, man, I got a session from 5 to 9. Now, that means he's going to probably make some money. You know, this guy does a lot of good work. I said, okay, buddy, next time. And I drive down the Knott's Berry Farm. I've been working down there a little bit lately, so I'm setting up, and the phone rings. And it's Ricky. Hey, Carmine, what? He says, did you get anybody for the show yet? I said, well, no, because they're going to call somebody. He says, my gig got canceled. The session got canceled, so can I still do it? I said, are you kidding? I'm so honored that you would even call back. So anyway, we love you, and we're going to put you to work in about a couple of seconds. I got to say hi to the boys. I haven't seen them all week, and it's my family, and I miss them, and I love them. How's it going over there, Jimmy?
Real good.
Is the young lady doing good?
Everything's fine.
We love her. We'll get her back up here.
Yep.
We're talking about Cari Caruso.
She had a great time when she did the show?
We had a good time having her. She's wonderful. Okay, the leader and the fearless leader of the Black Rose Band.
Absolutely.
We love her. Paul,
Carmine.
the family.
Family's good.
Guess who came by the shop this week?
Who?
Colleen with Ollie and who's Lila?
Isla.
Isla. Okay,
Ollie and Isla.
I'm learning.
I didn't even know. They didn't tell me. That's great.
Well, they came. She said she was driving by, and Ollie wanted to say hello, and Reuben, my helper, my great guy, been in the family 40 years. He was working, and that was a funny thing. First time Ollie met Reuben, which was a year or so ago, and then he's at the show or somewhere, and he comes over. He's only like what, 4 years old.
He's 3 now.
He's 3. He comes over to me and says, "Hey, Carmine," he says, "Is Reuben coming?" I said, "No, he won't be here today." But so he remembered Reuben when he came to, and Reuben treated him great. They talked. Great family. Real quick, John, I see you every Tuesday night down at that club. It's kind of a fun little place. Yeah, so it's a hang. It's good. It's up here on Foothill.
Yeah.
So you're doing well?
Yeah.
Yeah. I was happy.
I'm doing really good, actually.
Good. All right, we'll talk more about that later. I don't think anybody else wants to know about it. Okay. Just kidding. Okay, now back to the show. Ricky,
Brother.
do something.
All right.
Get me out of this thing.
Oh,
Help me out.
Go Everly's.
Oh, let's do it.
Oh, the story. Oh, little Everly brothers. Little ones. They're both about that big. Those little Everlys. Thinking to myself again, wondering if this traveling in is good. Is there something better you and me be doing if we could? And all the stories we could tell. And if this all blows up and goes to hell, I could still see us sitting on a bed in some motel, listening to the stories we could tell. There we go. Remember that guitar in that museum in Tennessee? Name played on the glass, broke down 20 melodies. Scratches on the face told of all the times he fell, singing all the stories he could tell, and all the stories we could tell. And I bet you it still rings like a bell, and I can still see us sitting on a bed in some motel, listening to the stories we could tell. Come on, come on. So if you're on the road, trucking out here every night, and you're singing for a living, neath the brightly colored lights. And if you ever wonder why you ride this carousel, you did it for the stories you could tell, and all the stories we could tell. And if this all blows up and goes to hell, I could still see us sitting on a bed in some motel, living all the stories we could tell. Yeah, I could still sitting on the bed in some motel, singing all the stories we could tell. Listen to all the stories we could tell. Come on, let's spin all the stories we could tell.
That was Everly Brothers, right? And that was the name of the album. I think it was called Stories We Could Tell. And that was cut in the 90s or 80s?
Yeah.
Before that? 70s?
Yeah.
Not 70s.
Yeah, it could have been. It was John Sebastian's song that he wrote for him.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But I remember the album, and that was great. You know, we lost both of them, I guess, the last couple of years here. And, they were great. They were great guys. Everly Brothers, man. Okay. How about doing one more, and then we'll get Paul to do one.
We'll be greedy there, son.
Okay. We got Ricky, and we're gonna let Ricky play.
How about some little sister?
Let's do it. Oh, I'm ready.
That's the name of the show. Let Ricky play.
Put him to work. E, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you want? Little sister, don't you need to mother twice? Tell me that it doesn't need you. Tell me, little sister, don't you do what your sister do? Well, I dated your big sister. Took her to the show. Well, for some candy, along come the mind, but it won't find out the door. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? Tell me that it doesn't need you. Little sister, don't you do what your sister do? Come on, let's play the song. Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you? Little sister, don't you kiss me once or twice? It'll be nicer than you run. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does? Don't you? Won't you kiss me once or twice? Tell me that it doesn't need you. Take it on, boy. Little sister, don't you do what your big sister does? Oh, baby, little sister, don't you do what your sister does? Oh, little sister, do what your big sister does.
Hey!
Yeah, come on.
Hope that wasn't way too loud out there, but we're up here at Bob Smith Toyota. You can probably hear us all the way down in Burbank, I'll bet, after that one. That was great, though. That was fun. What do I want to say? Hi to everybody out there. Thanks for watching. And yeah, man, we're going to, I'm so happy to have Ricky here that I lost for words. Paul.
Yes, sir.
Do something.
I got it.
Let's have fun.
Something in the way.
We're going to do, we're not going to do that one. Though. That's a good one. Let's do an empty bottle, a broken heart, and this is still not in tune.
What would you do?
In the key of G. Molly. On the 5, long 5. I'll catch up. 3 bars of 5.
Nice.
1, 2, 1. Key of G. Coming in G. Coming in on the 5.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. I thought it was worth.
Live.
That's what I like about the show.
No tracks, baby.
I love it.
It's going to be so much cooler when we're all playing in the same key. 1, 2, 1. Jukebox is playing a honky-tonk song. One more I keep saying, and then I'll go home. What good would it do me? I know what I'll find. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. Let's do it right now. Having their fun. I just sit here thinking about what you have done to try and forget you. I turn to the wine, an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. Forsaken, so blue I could die. I just sit here drinking until the bottle runs dry. My pockets are empty, my last glass of wine, an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. All right.
Yeah, wait for the remix. That's what I love about Carmine's Country Carnival. You want country music?
We got it.
We got it here. I can tell you that much right now. We got other stuff too, but the heartbeat is country music. Even though he brought charts and, he brought charts to Carmine's Country Corner, and I thought, what is that? But we did it. It was cool too. I didn't do it, but everybody else did. If I knew how to do it, I would. But, anyway. You got another one? Sure. Okay, what do we got?
Oh, this dance.
Huh? The dance. Let's do it. Just another one. I'm following you, boss.
Looking back on the memory of the days we shared beneath the sky above. Every moment, everything was right. How was I to know you would ever say goodbye? But I'm glad I didn't know the way it all would end and the way it all would go. My life is better left to chance. I could have missed some pain, but I'd have had to miss the days. Looking back, I held everything for a moment. Wasn't I king? But if I only know how that king will fall, well, who's to say? I might have changed it all, but now I'm glad I didn't know the way it all would end, the way it all would go. 'Cause our eyes, well, they never left to chance. I could have been so vain, but I'd have had to miss the day. Yes, our lives, they never left to chance. I might have missed some vain, but I'd have had to miss the days. Talk about your pain, Carmine. Oh, now I'm glad I didn't know
Ricky Z.
the way it all ended, the way it all would go. Our eyes, they never left a chance. I could have missed something, but I'd have had to miss the days. One more. Yeah, Carmine. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Carmine.
Carmine.
You know, you told me to play a solo. I thought, okay, I'll play it safe and just get on. Then you went nuts on me. But you sounded great. I love it. Oh, man. Did you hear that solo you played? God, I wish I could do that. Okay, what else? Do another one, and then we'll let Paul do one. And just believe it, the hour will just fly by. It does when you're having this much fun. We're here at Bob Smith Toyota, and we love all of you guys out there. Thanks for watching. What a treat to have Ricky Z with us this week. These are my buddies, and it goes right to the heart every time.
Second line.
Okay. I've heard of it.
What do we got?
G and D.
What's the song? Is it your song?
No, down south New Orleans.
Yep.
Down New Orleans. Dun, five. Shooting a shot, shooting it down, shooting it back to the one. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That's Music Theory 1. Oh!
Hey!
Oh, that was feeling good. Down south in New Orleans, prettiest girl I ever seen. Sparking eyes, they're so sweet. They make love to the road with me. I suitcase back, you get back on. One big ticket ain't coming back. Lots of pleasure, love's a dream. Down south in New Orleans, blue out baby, on my way. Back to my living on the city. Tired of working, I wanna play. Make sweet love to you night and day. Well, down south in New Orleans, prettiest girl I ever seen. The sparkling eyes, lips so sweet. We made love to the run of the suitcase baby down to make back on the one-way ticket ain't coming back. Lots of pleasure and love's a dream. Down here with Jimmy on the sing. Onto the street, kiss all the Creole girls I meet, drink all day, play all night, do it wrong till I do it right. Down south in New Orleans, prettiest girl I ever seen, sparkling eyes, lips so sweet. We make love to the road to beat. Got a place aching, a secret bag, got a one-way ticket ain't coming back. Lots of pleasure, love's a dream. Down south of New Orleans. The prettiest girls I ever seen. The sparkling ears, lips so sweet. We made love to the runaway. Yeah, she feels like a gossip bag. Got a one-way ticket, ain't coming back. Relies on pleasure, loves to drink. Down south in New Orleans. Down south in New Orleans. Down south. Yeah, Carmine. What a band! They sail those treacherous waters.
Just the way we rehearsed it. Thank God for those charts. I'm telling you, man. Saved my butt again.
Charts will do it every time. The charts will do it.
The charts.
That's different than the chart.
That's the with the charts.
Oh, do
Mardi
it.
Gras.
Let's do After the Fire's Gone.
Oh, yes, sir. Man, I love that song.
We're going to do After the Fire's Gone. Cari, you can sing Harmony at Home.
That will be happening. I guarantee it. Guarantee.
What you in?
Let's try it in A. Hope I don't hurt myself. We're going to try it in A.
Oh,
I hope I don't hurt myself. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. The bottle is almost empty. The clock just now struck 10. Darling, I had to call you to our favorite place again. I know it's wrong for us to wait, but the fire's gone out at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Your lips so warm and tender, and your arms hold me just right. Sweet words of love you remember, that the one at home forgot. Each time we say it's the last time, but we keep on keeping on, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. Love is where you find it when you find no love at home, and there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. That's where you find it. You find your love at home. And there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is gone. No, there's nothing cold as ashes after the fire is on. All right. Well, Ricky Z took your part there, Cari, and I'm glad he did, because you're not here.
Who did that song originally?
Well, I don't know about originally, but I know the version I learned was from Conway Twitty and Loretto.
Oh,
Yeah.
of course. Of course. Ricky Nelson?
Tracy Nelson.
Tracy Nelson. Oh, Tracy
Nelson
Tracy.
did a
Tracy
great
Nelson.
version, too.
Okay, yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sandy Nelson.
Her arrangement with the tag ending is the one that Cari left to do. That's why I know.
Anyway, we're here at Carmine's Country Corner knocking out another show. We've been doing this. In May, it's going to be 2 years. And any Sunday we did miss, we just did a rerun show. So actually, we haven't missed a show in almost 2 years. 6 to 7. We never changed the time. It's every Sunday. And we got a little bit of a following. And we appreciate all you great people out there supporting us and watching us play. And writing great. Anybody saying anything yet?
Yes.
Give me just a 2 or 3.
Well, we have our regular people are here.
Yeah, Roy and
Yeah.
Tom Leonard and all those guys that are showing up.
I'll give you some names I'm not familiar with.
Jonathan Pearl.
Well, welcome.
Well,
Okay.
Love his jewelry.
Patrick Generosa.
Patrick Generosa, a great drummer, isn't he?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Patrick, we love you. Come up to the show sometime and say hello.
Robert Cohen.
Oh, that's the harmonica player, right? Yeah. Yes. Robert, we love you. I know who you are. Absolutely.
Tom Dunovich.
I feel like I know Tom, too.
Okay.
Well, you know what, Kim, a lot of these people I would know if I saw them because we know, not that we know so many people, but the fact is we do. So, and I'm the worst guy in the world with names. I don't know whether it's because I'm just self-centered or I'm just too busy or I think I care. I mean, I do, because I love people. But I'm terrible. I mean, names. Hey, there's a frog again. I hate playing second fiddle to a frog.
Oh, that frog is for Roy.
That frog. Well, yeah, hey, Roy.
Oh, who's the duck?
Anyway, I'll tell you who I'm getting upset with is Ann Gilbo, because we love her and we love Gil. In fact, he says, hey, you did River People the other day too, right?
What did I do?
River People? Did you do that song, River People?
River People.
You sang a song, that's a Gil Gilbo song.
Oh, you mean, what do you mean, Big Bayou?
No, there's another one you do, and Sue said, Gib wrote that, and I thought about it. I thought, you know what? I think he did.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Somebody else might have recorded it, and you heard it, through them. They might have been, because Gib just hit, he wrote hits for a lot of people.
Yeah.
And so anyway, yeah, you actually do another Gib Gilbo song.
I'm doing a lot of songs that I don't
I thought it was called River People, but I could be wrong. Okay, we're going to do more music. Wait, go ahead, Kim.
Lightning Willie.
Oh, hey, Willie. Lightning Willie, if you could ever find your way to Locker Center, you need to come up and do a show with us.
Do the show. Come on.
It's nothing but fun. Come on up. And you can see Willie every Monday night at the Moose Lodge in Burbank on Burbank Boulevard with Pete Anderson. Pete's been down there for I think 10 years now. It's kind of a place he works out. It's a great band. It's all a lot of original material, but great stuff. And Pete always has Lightning Willie coming in. He does like near the end of the night. Yeah, he does half the set, and he's great. I love Willie. So we need to get him up here on our show. You know Lightning Willie. Absolutely. Who doesn't know Lightning Willie, man? Okay, we're going to get back to business. We love you all. We'll catch you next time. Okay, you do it. You're next because he just did it.
Okay, this is Carmine's favorite.
It is?
Yes, it is. You told me twice.
Yes. I know which one it is, and I do.
Hank.
Yeah, I love it.
Gee,
There's Hank right behind you, by the way.
remember Hank?
Hank, we love you.
Lost Highway. Yeah. It's real traditional. Gee. rolling stone. Oh, lonely lows. Oh, life of sin. Lord, I pay the cost. When I walk by, all the people say, just another guy on a lost highway. Just a deck of cards and a jug of wine. You know those lines make a life like mine. The day we met, all went astray. Started rolling down that lost highway. I'll go there with you. Just a lad, only 22. Neither good nor bad, just a kid like you. But now I'm gone, too late to pray. Started running down that lost highway. Now your boys don't start to ramble around the life of sin, Lord, you're trouble bound. Take my advice, or you'll curse the day. You started running down that lost highway. Stone, just like Carmine Sardo. Oh, life of sin, Lord, I'd like to borrow. I'll take my way with Carmine in hand. Start running down all across his land. And send me around down the lost highway. Just another guy's just a highway.
Damn!
Go,
I love that old country stuff. You sound great,
Oh,
man.
dude.
How much time we got?
13 minutes.
13 minutes? Paul,
Yeah.
hit us.
All right. Give us something good Vamp on you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We're here today.
Well, I was born in the Southland 20-some odd years ago. I ran away for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Oh, well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida, I pick cotton in Alabama, I pick walnuts up in Oregon, I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Oh, well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of backward, every mile railroad track. Hey, hey. Cincinnati, I got a woman in San Antonio. I always loved the girl in store, but any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. Now my home is on my back. I know every back road, every foot of highway, every mile of railroad track. not like my song. You may not like the way I talk, but you'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a free boy. My home is on my back. Well, I'm headed to highway. Every foot of back with every mile on railroad track. Oh yeah, I'm headed to the highway. Every foot of back with every mile on railroad
You know, whenever I've got great guitar players come up and play, I always like to kind of split solos, which is fun, but I also like to play one while they're playing one. And sometimes it gets a little, but you know, a lot of times it gets kind of magical sometimes, and those moments are hard to find. So
I think we just got one.
I think we had one, yeah. That last solo we played was kind of cool, you know. So anyway, it'll maybe never happen again, but now it's out there. They can't take it back. There's no rewinding the tape and fixing anything. All right, go ahead, Ricky.
You know, let's have some fun.
And whatever you want to do.
The faith. The George Michael thing. Kind of a second line thing.
Oh,
George
man.
Michael?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'll play.
You'll hear it. I'll do a little bit. You'll hear it. You go, oh, that's all there is to it. No, second line.
Second line.
What key?
In C.
Right?
Back. Oh, you're better. Yeah. Then I'll put both Hilly. Well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body. I know not everybody got a body like you, so I better think twice before I give my heart away. 'Cause I know all the things you play, and I play them too. Yes, I need some time on that emotion. Time to keep my head up on the floor. It's been time to give my foolish notion. Got to go down, baby. Come on, bring it through the door. I gotta have faith. I got to have faith. Gotta have faith. No, no, no. I gotta have faith, faith, faith. Ooh, baby. I know your aims can be the state. Say please, please, please don't go away. It be the lose. Baby, you make it everything you say. I can't but think of yesterday. In another room, chop it down to another money. Before that real boy becomes an ocean. You know I don't my heart back on the floor. Now tell me I'd reconsider my foolish notion of criminal, baby. So I'm showing you the door. I got to have faith. Oh, gotta have faith. Gotta have faith. I'll come and have some faith. Jimmy's got faith. I think that Jimmy's got faith. Come on, Billy, show us your faith. Jimmy's got faith. Yeah, we heard his faith. Yeah, you give me have faith. Oh, then I gotta have some faith. Before that river becomes an ocean, before the girl that living on the floor, maybe our feet are set on our foolish notion. I couldn't let no baby, but I'm jumping you the door. I gotta have faith. Ooh, I gotta have faith. Ooh, I gotta have faith, faith, faith. Oh, dearly.
So who did that song?
George Michael.
George Michael.
George the Michael.
God, I love that guy, whoever he is. Anyway,
Both of them.
both George
Yeah,
and
Mike
Michael.
Michaels.
Yeah. Well, these days it could have been a couple. Who knows? Anyway. How much time we got?
You got time for one more at 7 o'clock.
Well, Ricky, we're going to work you to death. We're going
They're gonna wake me to death.
Would you rather Paul do one? We'll play out.
We'll play
do
Paul.
it. Go ahead.
Look at Paul.
Okay,
I don't know. You're just singing too much. Nobody want to hear it.
Do something we can play out.
Okay, let's do. Want to do that?
Right.
That one.
That one.
It's 7 right now. Whatever you want to do. Okay, so we're going to play it out, and then we're going to end the song, right? Is that what the engineers are telling me? Okay, that's the way we're going to do it.
Blue, I'm on some too.
Let's do it.
Key of A.
Key of A. We're going over a little, folks, but it's worth it.
Out there. A 1, a 2, a bam. The side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. One day took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle, I'm gonna pack my suitcase and go on some side of a train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. Lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. Makes me wanna stop and cry. I recall the day you took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, side of a train going by makes me want to stop.
Well, folks, this is the end of another fun show here at Carmine's Country Corner. And Paul, thank you so much. Love you.
I love you.
I'll see you next Sunday. John, great job as always. Love you, brother. I'll see you Tuesday night. And Jimmy, thank you so much. And special thanks and love goes to Ricky Z. Say hi to your lovely wife for us. Susie just loves your wife. She's great. Thank you so much for coming up. You're so much fun to play with. We'll do it again. Okay. Next time you get a session, I hope it goes through for you so you can at least make some money. Right? We love you all. So let's close this thing out.
Well, when I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. Some side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too.